WhatsApp is your go-to app for instant messaging, but sometimes texting on the app becomes overwhelming that you wish to take a break from it. However, it's not simple to disappear from picking up your phone when the familiar WhatsApp notification tone buzzes. The simplest way to go discreetly is to turn off the internet connection to silence WhatsApp notifications so that there's nothing that grabs your attention. But then you'd risk missing updates from other important apps like Gmail. GadInsider's got you on how to completely turn off WhatsApp notifications without uninstalling the app. To turn off notifications, open Settings, select Notifications, then select WhatsApp, and toggle off the green notification switch next to Allow Notifications. To turn off mobile data for WhatsApp, go to your phone settings and disable background data. There are also some other options. You can force stop WhatsApp. You can delete the WhatsApp shortcut to prevent alerts unless you open the main app page, or you can mute notifications for individual chats.